How to download Heartland Bank mobile app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you download or install Heartland Bank mobile app on your iPhone or Android. So let's get started. First, as you have to open App Store for the iPhone. For Android, open the Google Play Store. After you open App Store, at the bottom right, simply tap on search icon. From the search section, at the top, in the search field, you'll have to search for Heartland Bank mobile app. After you search for that, you can simply find the official application from the Heartland Bank. Simply tap on that and from here, you can tap on Get. After you tap on that, that application will be installed on your device. After that, you can simply open the app and log in using your Heartland Bank credential or create a new account if needed. And that's it. From that way, you can simply download or install Heartland Bank mobile app on your device. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.